Morning, people. We are checking on how to grow a Facebook page using ads. I have so many number of followers. I want to grow it. My ideal is to get to my soft target is 10,000. So how I'm gonna do this? I'm gonna use paid ads. There's an option of using ads on the Facebook side, but I prefer using the ads manager. So we will start with that. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start with this. This is the ads manager. I'm going to come on create campaign. I'm going to go to engagement because engagement is for getting video views, post engagement, page likes, events, responses. Also, it's for good for messengers, video views, post engagement, conversions, and calls. So we tap on continue, manual engagement because I prefer this. It gives me everything I need. So I'm going to say August likes. I'm going to choose this one doesn't matter because I just have one ad set. I'm going to avoid when it comes to special categories. I'm in digital marketing, so I'm not affected by financial products, employment, housing, social issues. I'm going to click on next. Right, so this one is Lux. This will be the name of my ad set. Where's my conversion destination? It will be on my Facebook page. Um, Other destinations will be messages for WhatsApp, on your ad for if you guys want to do it for a post or an event. If you want calls, you get calls. Website, you want people to visit your website. Right. So the Facebook page I'm looking at is mine. This one. How much I'm gonna spend? I always start low, then I ramp up. I'm gonna use a couple of days until the end of the month. The audience. Now here's the tricky bit. I will have to create an audience because it's an assumption that you haven't done one. So you saved audience. So, right. That I'm gonna look at locations. We change that first. We narrow down. Maybe the age. I am aiming for. I am aiming for business owners who are 45 to 55. Let's put 60. Genders is fine. Put sexes, custom audience. It's fine. Detail targeting is it's fine. Like use saved audience. No. Placement is going to be one place. Detail targeting now. This is what I'm looking for. Right. So I'm looking for CEOs. And then once you get this opportunity, this pop up, you get it suggests many other things for you. Owner, founder, managing director, co-founder, executive director, founder. These are all job titles because they're the people I am targeting. CFO, CEO. So somebody's interested in small business. Somebody's interested in entrepreneurship. That's fine with me. Somebody interested in SMEs. Is there another interest? Somebody interested in home business? Mm, hmm. What else? What else? Also marketing. Marketing is good for me. Right. So that has been set. How big is my audience? 1.1 to 1.3. That's fine. Just making sure location is fine. There we go to next. Then now the ads is like the ad creative. We're gonna choose image ads. I'm gonna add. It's gonna take a minute or two, but I like having a variety of ads. I'm gonna choose this one. Then my primary text would be follow us for digital marketing advice. Because that's what that page is for. I want to put your online presence, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, I can go with this one's. Yeah, that's fine. Next. Image generation. No, done. So that's fine. Now what I'm gonna do, look at the campaign score. It's 37. So we need to improve this. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna add look at what it says. Okay, we'll do that. Right. Increase your conversion by using both videos. Right, I will do that. Let me just do that right now. I'm gonna make 5 copies. Four copies. Yeah, 4 copies is fine. Right. So with the first one, the first copy, I want to get variations with my ads. So I'm gonna change the media to this one. Done. Then the second one, I'm gonna change the name first, and then I'm gonna change the medium. The media, sorry, not medium. Media. That one. And I do this again. Then I change media. Continue. That's fine. So the fourth one would be a video like Facebook suggested. Luckily, I have a video. Not account images, account videos. Oh, these images. I was really waiting to upload. Mm. Do I have to? Don't I have something? Someone that was already uploaded. Okay, this will take us a minute. I was trying to avoid that. Wait, I can't find my video. What am I missing? Oh, this maybe is trying to upload a video. So images. So I'm gonna clear all, add media, add video. Well, there you are. Next, that is fine. Done. That is also fine. So what else is it asking? 80%? No, I want that. I don't want to do reels as well. So I'm gonna be okay with 80%, and I'm gonna click on publish.